Let's get ready for the heavyweight champion of all time. Da-da, 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 now, let me say something to you. Now, I don't get good looks for nothing. That means no one has ever knocked my brains out before. That's why my skin is so silky smooth. That's why I'm smooth like that. 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 I shake my tail because I'm getting my tail because I'm smooth like that. Nobody can mess with me. What you think? You think somebody can mess with me over there? Huh? Do you really think somebody can mess with me over there? Huh? You think somebody can mess with me over here too? I'm the heavyweight champion. See my muscles? My muscles? See that? See that? See that? See that muscle right there? Smooth. Let me kiss. Yeah. Yeah. I lift weights with my muscles. And a one. And a two. And a three. Don't try me.
That boy's no.
I've got news for you. You just bring it. That's all I've got to say about it. You do, but you bring it on. If your mouth is as big as my muscles, then...
Let me show you how they sound.
Okay, wait. She's going to... I'll be right back. Wait.
Alright. Get one of y'all
Y'all get ready to get me down.
They want to keep that from me.
You can't handle me.
From Granddad and Grandma.
You ain't got me.
From Granddad and Grandma.
She's just messing up our video. What? Excuse me. We'll be right back right after these messages. What are you saying? Wait. How you doing? How you doing?
You cannot defeat me. I am the most powerful.
Just look at me. I can
Look at me.
Just look at me. I look.
You don't want this for you.
We'll be right back right after these messages.
You don't want this for you.
No, it's
That's funny. Bring it.
You saw it flip right now. It's so quick you can't even catch it on camera. I did. Good. See, that's some straight camera action right there. Straight. Okay, who's the winner? Somebody pin somebody down. Pin the winner.